We're going to be transforming this plain Jane Subaru Forester XT into the wildest, coolest Subaru Forester XTI on the road today. So it's another beautiful day and we have some good news today. We got a bunch of parts. We got the bumpers and we got the headlight, the hood. So we have enough to keep us busy. We'll be able to tack up the radiator support, put in the headlight, test fit everything. I don't believe we have the fender yet, but we'll be able to make a lot of progress without it. So let's get this stuff unpacked and get to work. So we got everything unpacked and let's start by fitting the hood. Afterwards, we're going to test fit all the parts, all the brackets that connect to the radiator support. We were able to make some progress on the car. We actually tacked up the radiator support. So the next thing on the list is to get the passenger side ready. So I'm talking specifically about this section right here. So this, we still have to tack weld this piece as well as this arm. And it should be ready for the fender and the headlight and final fitting. Now that we have test fitted all our panels and our gaps all line up, we can finally make our final spot welds on the upper radiator support. Here she is. Now I know a lot of you are wondering what is the non-turbo Forester bumper doing on the Forester XT. Well, all will be revealed in due time. At this point, the front end is fully assembled. All the panel gaps are nice and even, so we can consider the collision repair part of this project complete. Now we still need to do a little bit of body work and paint, but we can't get into any of that finish work till we get into the fabrication, the custom fabrication portion of this project. So join us as we transform this base Subaru Forester XT into the wildest Subaru Forester XTI on the road today. See you soon.